Let's start with the drafting of armhole princess cut kurti. First I will be showing the back part of the armhole princess cut kurti. So this is a look of the garment. So this is the center panel of kurti and these two are the side panels attached to the center panel. So this is the princess style line. Starts at mid armhole, over the bust, towards the waist and till the hemline. This is your armhole princess style line. So let's start with the back drafting of armhole princess cut kurti. For this you need to trace dress block like this. At one corner of the ivory sheet you are tracing your dress block back. So step 1, this mid shoulder dart in your dress block will be taking out in the princess cut kurti. Just strike it off. Same dart width which is 1 centimeter. Mark from the end of the shoulder using your 1/4 scale as we are doing 1/4 drafting here. Mark it 1 centimeter. Right. So gradually join from here to mid of armhole. You are redrawing the armhole like this. Then later you will be cutting this off. Mark a scissor symbol here like this. Right. Now next step. To draw the armhole style line, so measure your new armhole using your 1/4 scale. Measure the new armhole. It will be approximately 19 to 20 centimeters. I am taking here 20 centimeters. So mid of it is 10 centimeters. So at 10 centimeters, mark a point at 10 centimeters. And from this point you are drawing a smooth curve to this point. So this point is called pivotal point at back. So from here to here you are drawing a smooth curve using your French curve. So inner side of the French curve you are using to draw these kind of small curves. So on the life size paper pattern you can use outer side of the French curve to draw the same curve. So like this you are drawing a curve. Next step, so draw a straight line from the end of the waist dart till the hemline. Draw a straight line down. It can be a dotted line, it can be a straight line also. Right? So from mid armhole you are drawing to the pivotal point here. Then from the end of the waist dart draw a line down. Right? So later you will be cutting and separating your center panel and side panel like this. Along this line you will be cutting and separating. Mark scissor symbol. Till here you are cutting a common line. From here you will be cutting here, here and the style line here. So like this you are cutting and separating the side panel, and coming to center panel this is a common line and here you are cutting this side like this, and this is a common curve that you will be cutting. So then you will be separating your center panel and side panel, and this part of the dart will be cutting and throwing away. So same thing I will be showing it on color paper. This is just the drawing you are plotting on how to go about the procedure I have just shown here. Same thing you will be doing on a color paper. There you will be cutting and separating the center panel and side panel drafts. So for this what you are doing, trace the dress block again on a color paper like this, and you are repeating all the steps. Armhole curve, this line, everything repeat on the color paper. Right? So as I said, you have to trace the dress block on color paper, and same markings that we did on the drawing you are copying the same on the color paper. Mid armhole style line, striking of the dart, so 1 centimeter from the end of the shoulder and extension of waist dart till the hemline. Right, till here you have copied. Now next step, you are extending the flare from the side seam. You are extending 5 cm flare from the side seam. So why we are extending this flare of 5 cm? Because we are doing a flared princess cut kurti here. This is a flare of the princess cut kurti. So to add flare, we are extending 5 centimeters. Extend 5 centimeter from the side seam. Mark a point at 5 centimeter. Draw a line here. So this point you are joining to mid of waist to hip. Mark a point at mid of waist to hip. To this point you are joining. Right. So here, after marking the flare, mark 2 centimeter from this point, 2 centimeter above from this point. Then you are shaping the hemline using your French curve. Right. So later you will be cutting this off. Later you will be cutting this off. Now next step is you are cutting and separating the center panel like this, and side panel you are cutting and separating like this. So first cut along the outline. Right, we are done cutting the outline of your dress block, and we have also cut the shaping of the hemline. Now, so this 1 centimeter you are supposed to cut from here. So gradually on the dotted line that you have marked, cut it off. Now you are cutting and separating the center panel and side panel. Even before you cut and separate, so better you always write down the pattern information, because once you cut and separate you may get confused. So before only I am writing the pattern information. Princess kurti, this is center front, and you will be cutting this one piece because here it is a on-fold. And side panel also you write the pattern information, princess kurti. Side panel, size 10, and this is back portion, and you are cutting two such side panels. Here also write the size of the pattern, size 10, and this is back. Right. So side panels you are cutting 2 pieces, and center panel on fold you will be cutting 1 piece. Now cut and separate the panels like the way I am showing here. Cut on the line, and here as we have marked the scissor symbol in the drawing, cut here. Cut on the armhole curve. On the straight line you are cutting and separating. Now you can see So this portion we have cut and took it out. So this is your center panel and this is your side panel. Now you are going to extend flare at the center panel, and to the side panel you will be extending flare. So this is your center front. For center front you are extending flare from here, and for the side panel we have already extended 5 centimeters at the side seam. Now you are going to extend flare from this end. So to extend flare, what you are doing, you are pasting the paper below the center panel like this. Using glue stick, you can paste a paper down towards right side of the center panel and paste one more paper down towards the left side of the center panel like this. So this paper can be above the hip line here, and here also it can be almost till the waistline. You are pasting a paper down like this. We have pasted a paper down the center panel and we have pasted a paper down the side panel. Now you are going to extend flare. So using your 1/4 scale, mark 3.5 centimeter from the center panel. Mark 3.5 centimeter. So from this point you are joining it to hip line. So you can join it to above the hip line. Right? So from this panel also, side panel also, measure 3.5 centimeters and then again you are joining from this point to the hip line, just above the hip line. Gradually you are joining to this point. Right? Then you are cutting from here to here and from here to here. So cut this off like this. Now take your scale, draw a straight line just to make sure you are going to paste these panels straight. So after drawing a line, now first paste the center panel like this and then give a gap, give a little gap, then paste your side panel like this. Right? This is your paper pattern for. So this is your center panel back for your armhole princess cut kurti, and this is your side panel. Paste your center panel here, paste the side panel like this. This is your armhole princess cut kurti back. Let's start with the drafting of armhole princess cut kurti front. So for this you are supposed to trace your dress block front, right? So dress block front, we have a bust dart here, we have a waist dart here. Again similar to back, we will be drawing a style line from mid of armhole to the bust point, and then from the end of the dart we will be drawing a line. Okay. The step 1 is you are measuring the front armhole round using your 1/4 scale. So measure front armhole round like this. So it will be approximately 20 centimeters. So at 10 centimeters you are marking the midpoint. At 10 centimeters mark mid of front armhole. Now from this point you are drawing a smooth curve to the bust point. This is a bust point. This is a bust point. So from mid of armhole to the bust point you are drawing a smooth curve using a inner side of the French curve. Like this you place your French curve. Draw smooth curve. So for life size paper pattern you can use the outside of the French curve. Right. Now next step, from end of the waist dart draw line down using your scale. Right. So next step you will be closing the existing bust dart. You will be closing this dart and you will be opening the mid armhole dart. Then you are cutting and separating your center panel and side panel. So here if you look at this, this is your center panel at front and these two are the side panels attached. Right. So let's mark the scissor symbol on this to cut and separate center panel and side panel. Cut along this line, then here cut along the waist dart like this, and side panel cut along this line, and here this is a common style line you are cutting. Later you will be closing this dart at center panel. So like this you will be separating your side panel and this is your center panel. You will be closing this dart. This becomes your center panel. Right. Now what you are doing? Trace the same thing on color paper. Trace your front of dress block on color paper and same markings you will be doing on the front of dress block. So on the color paper I have drawn the mid armhole style line, then I have extended from the dart to the hemline. So this you will be closing, and on this for extending flare from the side seam at the hemline, extend 5 centimeters using your 1/4 scale. Extend 5 centimeters and then from here join it to mid of waist to hip, mark a midpoint and then you are joining it to this point. Here we will shape the hemline by marking a point at 2 centimeter above the hemline, and then using your French curve shape the hemline. Later you will be cutting this line. Right. Now you are supposed to separate the side panel and center panel along the marked line as we have shown here. Now let's cut and separate. Cut along this line. I have cut and separated the outline of the front. Now I will cut and separate the center panel and side panel. So before we cut and separate, better to write the pattern information. This is center, front. So princess kurti, front, size 10. You will be cutting one piece, and this is your princess kurti front, size 10, and side panel you will be cutting 2 such pieces, right? Now, so after writing, cut and separate the panels like this. So along the common line you are cutting, and this dot cut along the line drawn, and then on the style line that we have drawn from mid armhole. Now from this, cut and separate this. So this part we have cut and taken it out. So this part we don't need. Now this dot will be closing. So how to close? Cut this on this line. Till the bust point, cut this, leave a small tip, then paste it like this. This is how you will be closing the dot here. Paste it like this, and whatever extra here you can trim this off, right? This is your center panel, friend, and so after separating the panels, this is a center panel, this is a side panel. Here we have closed the dot. Now we will extend the flare for both the panels. We have already extended 5 cm at the side panel. Now we will extend flare from this point and from this point. Center front will not extend, right? To extend flare, attach one more piece here like this. Paste a piece down the center panel and paste a piece down the side panel for extension of flare. So after pasting the paper, let's extend the flare. So from the center panel, take 3.5 centimeters. Mark 3.5 centimeters and then join it to hip line. So this is your hip line. So gradually you are joining. So you can join little above the hip line also. Okay. Now side panel extension. Again mark 3.5 centimeter and then join it to hip line. You can join little above the hip line so that the line blends properly, right? So this will be cutting and separating this. Extra piece you are cutting like this. Here also cut and separate the extra piece. Right? Now, so we'll paste the center panel and side panel on the ivory sheet. So for this, you draw a temporary line just to make sure you are placing both the panels on the same level. Draw a temporary line. So paste your center panel here, and by giving a gap, paste the side panel. Right? So this is your armhole princess cut kurti front. So this is your armhole princess cut kurti. This is your center panel front and this is the side panel at